Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you step by step how to translate your Canvas material to the language of your choice. But before I show you how to do that, I do have to recommend that you use Google Chrome as your browser. Using any other browser may or may not work. So in this case, I have already logged into my Canvas account by using the Google Chrome browser. Once I'm logged in, then I will click on the course of my choice. As you can see, I currently have the language in English. To change this to any other language, I'm going over to the button to the right of the address bar. These three little buttons here is where you customize and control Google Chrome. If I click there, I go down to translate here, click translate, and at this point I can choose any language. I previously had selected Vietnamese, so if I click Vietnamese, you can see how I've translated the content to Vietnamese. If I click on these three dots, I can choose another language. For example, I will choose Spanish next. I will click on translate, and as you can see, now this is in Spanish. If I keep it here in Spanish, then when I click on the module, the material will automatically translate to Spanish. So let's give it a try. Let's go into one of the pages. This is currently in English. Click on the icon here, the Google Translate icon, and click Always Translate English. Okay, so if it's in English now, it's going to go to Spanish next. Make sure you have this box selected so that as you navigate through Canvas, you don't have to go through the process again. Everything will be in the language of your choice. I hope you enjoyed and give it a try. Play around with different languages. I hope you enjoy.